In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your components with your team in Figma. Sharing components effectively is crucial for maintaining design consistency, streamlining workflows, and ensuring everyone on your team is using the most up-to-date elements. It's a fundamental aspect of collaborative design in Figma, allowing you to build a robust design system that your entire team can leverage. Let's dive in and make sure your components are accessible to everyone who needs them. The very first step in this process is to create the component itself. If you already have components ready to go, you can skip ahead slightly. But for those new to this, a component in Figma is a reusable UI element, like a button, an icon, or a card. To create one, simply design the element you wish to turn into a component. Once your design is complete, select all the layers that form your component. Then, you can either right-click on your selection and choose Create Component from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows, or Command+Option+K on Mac. You'll notice a purple outline around your element, signifying it's now a master component. Giving your components clear, descriptive names from the start is a best practice, as it makes them much easier for your teammates to find and understand later on. Once your components are created and named, the next crucial step is to publish them to your team's shared library. To do this, look towards the upper left corner of your Figma interface. You'll find the file name of your current design document. Just beside this file name, there's usually a small drop-down arrow or icon. Click on this, and you'll see an option labeled Publish Library. This action opens a dialog box or panel specifically for managing your team libraries. It's the gateway to making your carefully crafted components available beyond your current file. This is also where you'd go to update existing components if you've made changes, ensuring your team always has access to the latest versions. After clicking Publish Library, a window will appear, presenting you with a list of all the components within your current Figma file that haven't yet been published to the shared library, or those that have pending updates. In this window, you'll need to actively select the components you wish to add to the team library. You'll typically see checkboxes next to each component. Go through the list and check the box next to every new component you want to share. If you've modified existing components, they will also be listed here, allowing you to publish their updated versions. Before finalizing, you'll usually have an option to add a descriptive message. This is a great opportunity to communicate to your teammates what new components have been added, what changes have been made, or any important context they should know. Once you've selected your components and added a message, click the Publish button, and your components will now be available for your team to use across their own Figma files, promoting consistency and efficiency.